This is the worked examples video for speed. If you've watched the last one, you know what speed is. Now we'll use the equation. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, recall the speed equation. Second, rearrange it to find distance or time. And third, use it to solve problems. Here's the equation. Speed equals distance divided by time. In symbols, v equals s over t. This triangle helps you rearrange it. Cover the one you want, and the other two show you what to do. Watch the units. Speed in meters per second, distance in meters, and time in seconds. If they're not in those units, convert first. From the triangle, you can rearrange it three ways. Cover the SC at the top, and you're left with v times t. So distance equals speed times time. Cover the v, and s is over t. Speed equals distance over time. And cover the t, and time equals distance divided by speed. Same equation, three arrangements. Let's use it. A car travels 150 meters in 6 seconds. Find its speed. Always start by writing the equation. We want speed, so v equals s over t. Substitute the numbers. V equals 150 divided by 6. And that works out to 25 meters per second. Notice the three steps. Write the equation, put in the numbers, then give the answer with its unit. Now it's your turn. Try these practice questions. Question 1. A runner covers 100 millimeters in 20s. Find the speed. Question 2. A cyclist travels at 8 mph for 30s. How far do they go? Question 3. How long to travel 300 mph at a speed of 15 mph? Pause the video, work them out on paper, then play on to check your answers. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. Number 1, 5 ms. Number 2, 240 ms. Number 3, 20s. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.